Spending more than $250 on a pressure washer in 2026 is a mistake, unless you know exactly which two machines on this list actually justify that price. Right now, the market is packed with overrated models carrying $300 to $500 price tags that independent lab testing simply does not back up. I went through PWMA certified data, real test results, and thousands of verified buyer reviews, and I'm going to name the popular brand you should stop trusting. One electric model on this list matched certified gas washer cleaning power in independent testing, and stay until the end. I have one secret buying tip that most people never hear, and it could protect your deck or siding on the very first use. Product links are in the description. At number 6, the Sun Joe SPX3000, America's best-selling electric pressure washer, and a solid pick if you know exactly what you're buying. This machine runs a 14.5 amp motor and outputs 2030 PSI, PWMA certified and independently verified, not a marketing number. The flow rate is 1.2 GPM. HomeGrail's review team gave it 4 out of 5 stars, rating it a reliable choice for patios, cars, decks, and sidewalks. The one feature most buyers walk right past: 2 separate 0.9 liter onboard detergent tanks. Fill one with all-purpose cleaner, the other with car-safe soap, and switch between them mid-job with a single dial. No stopping, no refilling, no extra bottles sitting on the driveway. For anyone cleaning multiple surface types in one session, that's a real-time advantage. It weighs around 24 pounds, includes 5 quick connect nozzles, a 20-foot hose, and a 35-foot GFCI cord. Lightweight enough for buyers over 55 to move around without strain. Setup takes under 5 minutes. The honest limitation: 2030 PSI won't handle heavily stained concrete or years of built-up grime. For regular maintenance on cars, fences, decks, and patio furniture, it's proven, consistent, and dependable. Price sits between $150 and $170. Who should buy it? First-time owners and anyone who wants a simple, no-fuss machine for routine home cleaning without overspending. Number 5 is the Westinghouse WPX3200e. Serious output at a price most competitors simply can't touch. Official specs, straight from Westinghouse's documentation: 3200 max PSI, 2800 rated PSI, 1.76 max GPM. Publishing both max and rated figures is a transparency move that most budget brands deliberately skip. The motor is a high-performance induction type, runs cooler, and lasts far longer than brushed motors found in lower-tier machines. On Sam's Club, this machine carries over 4,700 ratings with 80% at 5 stars. Verified buyers specifically call out how quiet it is, and multiple people who switched directly from gas-powered washers report 0 regrets. 5 nozzle tips included: an onboard 0.61 gallon soap tank, and never flat wheels. Genuinely practical for rough driveways or gravel paths. The total stop system cuts the motor the instant you release the trigger, protecting the pump and extending the machine's life. For driveways, siding, fences, and garage floors, this machine handles all of that at a typical street price of $200 to $250. Worth knowing up front: rated GPM at full pressure drops to 1.1 GPM. Max PSI and max GPM don't operate simultaneously. Standard for electric washers, but better to hear it here. Who should buy it? Anyone switching from gas who wants strong, quiet power without stepping into a premium price tier. Number 4 is the Powerplay Spyder Pro 2700, the machine that consistently catches buyers off guard. Specs: 14 amp induction motor, 2700 max PSI, 1.3 GPM. Consumer Reports has included the SPY 2700 XP in their certified pressure washer testing program. That alone separates it from the flood of no-name machines in this price bracket. It's also stocked at both Home Depot and Costco, which reflects earned retail trust. What Powerplay genuinely engineered differently here is the physical chassis. Most pressure washers tip over on uneven ground and roll awkwardly across grass. The Spyder Pro runs on a 4-wheel 360-degree steering system with ultra-wide off-road inspired wheels and treaded tires, built with a reduced center of gravity to eliminate tip over on rough surfaces. Verified Home Depot buyers described it as feeling comparable to a gas-powered washer without the noise, fumes, or maintenance. One 63-year-old buyer with back issues specifically highlighted the maneuverability as his deciding factor. Box contents: Pro style gun with M22 fittings, steel lance with 4 nozzles plus a turbo nozzle, a 25-foot steel-braided FlexWash Pro hose, and a 1000 ml foam cannon, which sells for $20 to $40 separately on most competing models. One honest note: some buyers have flagged slow warranty support response times. Register your unit immediately after unboxing and keep your receipt somewhere easy to find. Price: $280 to $300. Who should buy it? Homeowners on uneven terrain, older adults who need a stable machine, and anyone cleaning both hard surfaces and vehicles in one session. Number 3 is the Ego PowerPlay HPW3200, a machine that completely resets expectations for what battery-powered pressure washers can do. Ego's peak power technology pairs two 56V RC lithium batteries to produce 3200 PSI and up to 2.0 GPM max. One critical spec before you buy: you need two 6.0A batteries to consistently reach that full 3200 PSI. Smaller batteries, like the 2.5Ah units that come with Ego trimmers, will cause the machine's internal controller to throttle output significantly. Check your battery's 8 rating before assuming full performance. With two correct 6.0H batteries, runtime reaches up to 60 minutes. Ego's 2023 certified testing confirmed it as the most powerful cordless pressure washer in its class. No cord stretching across your driveway, no gas, no pull cord. The wand has a built-in digital display showing Eco, high, or turbo mode and live battery level, practical when you're mid-job. A siphon hose is included, letting you draw water from a bucket or barrel with no pressurized source needed. Pro Tool Reviews called it the best option for cordless freedom without sacrificing performance. Tool-only version, $329 to $399, batteries sold separately. Who should buy it? Ego 56V platform owners, and anyone cleaning spots where a 35-foot cord simply won't reach. Number 2 is the Ryobi RY142012, and here's exactly why it earned this spot. Official retail price on Ryobi's website, $119. For that, you get 2100 PSI, 1.2 GPM, a 25-foot hose, a 35-foot GFCI cord, and a machine weighing just under 22 pounds with a telescoping handle. Pro Tool Reviews called it the sweet spot for homeowners, enough force for sidewalks, decks, siding, fencing, and vehicles without requiring a premium budget. The storage system is what sets this machine apart at its price. The turbo nozzle and 15-degree nozzle clip directly onto the wand. The foamer sits in a front door compartment. The hose and cord wrap into a rear pocket. Every accessory has a designated home on the unit. No lost nozzles, no tangled mess in the garage. For in-store shoppers who want to see what they're getting before buying, this organized layout is immediately reassuring. The 13 amp brushed axial cam pump is perfectly adequate for residential cleaning a few times a month. Assembly under 5 minutes, confirmed by multiple verified Home Depot buyers. The included foamer lays a thick detergent coat before rinsing, which cuts effort significantly on driveways and siding. Who should buy it? Budget-conscious buyers who want a complete, organized, ready-to-use setup at $198. Before I give you number 1, 2 things you need to hear first. That popular brand I flagged at the start of this video, it's the Karcher K5 Premium, recommended constantly on every major YouTube channel. It costs $350 and up. Its spec sheet shows 2000 PSI at 1.4 GPM. That is the machine thousands of people have sitting in their Amazon cart right now. Hold those numbers in your head and compare them to what's coming next, at virtually the same price, and you'll understand immediately why I said stop trusting the hype. Now, the secret nozzle tip: never use a 0-degree or 15-degree nozzle on wood decks, car paint, or vinyl siding. Multiple independent testing experts confirm this is the most common first-use mistake. It strips paint, splinters wood grain, and can void warranties. Your default on any delicate surface is the 40-degree nozzle. Nozzle angle matters far more than PSI number. Now, number 1, the Greenworks Pro 3000 PSI GPW3002, the best overall electric pressure washer you can buy in 2026. This runs a 14 amp true brushless motor producing 3000 max PSI and 2.0 GPM max, with a PWMA certified cleaning unit score of 3300 CU. Pro Tool Review stated it clearly. This is an electric pressure washer that genuinely cleans at the level of entry-level gas models. Tested Gear Hub confirmed it, a top performer across decks, driveways, vehicles, and patios. Upflip ranked it the strongest combination of features and usability in the electric category for homeowners. The brushless motor is the core advantage. It runs cooler, requires no carbon brush replacements, and outlasts brushed alternatives by a significant margin under regular use. Build: rugged steel frame, foldable handles, a 25-foot Uberflex kink-resistant hose, and a 35-foot GFCI power cord. Push-button start, no priming, no choke, no pull cord. 5 nozzles included, 3-year limited warranty. Now, remember those Karcher K5 numbers from a moment ago? $350 and up, 2000 PSI, 1.4 GPM. The Greenworks sits at $360 and gives you 3000 PSI with 2.0 GPM and a brushless motor. Same price, 50% more PSI. The comparison makes itself. Current Amazon pricing, around $360, down from a regular retail of $490 to $500. The best tracked price in 2026 per 9 to 5 toys. Who should buy it? Any homeowner who wants gas level cleaning power, zero maintenance, and a machine built to last. That is your complete 2026 list. Greenworks Pro sits at the top for power, build quality, and long-term value. Ryobi wins on organized convenience at $199.99. Ego owns the cordless category with no real competition. Westinghouse punches hard at the $200 to $250 range. And Sun Joe is still one of the smartest entry-level buys you'll find this year. Every product link is in the description. Drop your specific cleaning job in the comments, driveway, deck, car, or siding, and I'll point you to the right one. Subscribe for more research like this every week.